In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the grace period in Hubstaff. Whether you're trying to ensure punctuality by setting specific guidelines or offering a little leeway, adjusting the grace period effectively can make a difference in managing your team's time. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to get started by navigating to the correct settings section within your Hubstaff account. Once logged in, look at the left side of your screen where you will see a menu with various options. Here, you should click on Settings. This section acts as the control center for various configurations, so it's crucial to start here. Once you've accessed the Settings section, your next stop will be Schedules. This option allows you to organize and manage when your team starts and stops work, and it's where you'll be able to manage the grace period. Click on Schedules from the available options displayed. Next, after you've entered the Schedules area, you will need to find the Calendar option. It should be visible fairly quickly as it's designed to provide you with a comprehensive view of the weeks and months ahead, offering insights into your team's shifts. Click on Calendar to get a view that will allow you to make the necessary adjustments. Now, once you're inside the Calendar section, direct your attention to the option labeled Grace Period. This is the focal point of our tutorial, as it dictates how much leeway employees have before being marked as tardy. Clicking here will open up options to make the desired changes. Finally, it's time to set the grace period itself. You need to click on the relevant time setting. This should prompt a drop-down menu or another form of time selection where you can choose a specific grace period that suits your team's needs. This flexibility can be beneficial, allowing you to adapt based on location-specific or departmental requirements without changing the overall system. So there you have it, a simple and comprehensive look at how to edit the grace period in Hubstaff. By clearly understanding these steps, you can ensure your team stays on track while also allowing the right amount of flexibility. It's all about balancing structure with understanding, and with these changes, you'll be in a great position to do just that. Remember, making these adjustments can help enhance the work environment, streamline operations, and reduce stress related to timing. If you have any questions, always feel free to revisit this tutorial or explore more resources within the Hubstaff Help Center. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.